Board of bland spiral cucumber salad with hot oil garlic brings bold flavor in 10 minutes. If you want quick and elegant without the fuss, this one is for you. Start with 2 English cucumbers. Wash and dry. For the spiral, place a cucumber between 2 chopsticks. Slice straight down at 90 degrees along the length. Flip it and slice again at about 45 degrees to get the accordion effect. Salt cure with a half a teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of sugar for 10 minutes. It draws out moisture and keep the crunch. While that rests, make the dressing. Minced garlic goes into a heat-proof bowl. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium until shimmers. Then carefully pour it over the garlic. Instant aroma. Stir in soy sauce, a touch of oyster sauce, Chinese black vinegar, a little sugar, sesame oil, and sambal for heat. Drain the cucumbers if there is any liquid from the salt cure. Spoon on the hot oil garlic dressing. Flip it to coat every spiral. Finish with toasted sesame seeds. Weeknight fast, restaurant level flavor, and absolutely not boring. If you love this, there's more quick and elegant salad energy in my playlist. See you next time in Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders.